Seafood lovers, welcome back to Flavor Chef Kitchen. So we do some stuffed mashed potato with some lobster in it, yeah? But may I use the claw of the lobster because, that is the softest part of the lobster for me. So if you want to put in your tail, lobster not cheap. So if you buy expensive lobster, by all means, put all of it in it. So yeah, we use the back of the knife to cut out that because if you use the shine part, the sharp part, you're going to cut right through the lobster. So yeah, and keep your knife sharp. So I cut up the meat right there so and get all the ingredients together. So that are the lobster after the claw. I cut up the claw thing, yeah. Showing us a real thing I go on. So anyway, we got seasoning right there so. So I have my onion, my garlic, my sun-dried tomato. That are the lobster you see me I cut up. That are the heavy cream and some Parmesan cheese. So the heavy cream and the Parmesan have to make the sauce, right? And the garlic. So this one I add in my sun-dried tomato first, because it have the oil in it. And then I add my garlic. Now, I add my onion and thyme. You get me? Yeah, because we have to make the thing. And then we add in the lobster. We'll combine all of that together and saute it. Yeah, because we want all of that juice and flavor left back in the pot. Yeah, but you don't know. I have to put in my little seasoning in it. And you know my seasoning them already. Live and direct from Jamaica. Straight from Jamaica. Shipped to America. So yeah, I add little jerk seasoning in it. Because we're in the Flavor Chef Kitchen. So we have to add some flavor to the thing. Right? So yeah, we're going to saute the lobster. Because we want all that little juice and thing. You see me I flip. Yeah, all in the wrist, Yeah, and then I got add season to the bone. The website I got drop. The website I got be below the link where you guys can just click on the link and you get your first 10% off. So that's how I do my potato now. Little olive oil and salt, wrap it up in some foil, pop it in the oven. See there, I take it out back out the oven ready. We just cut off the little part of it. Forgive the knife skills because one hand I use, So yeah, we scrape out the potato now in our plate. Take off the skin off it, cause, some people eat the skin, but I don't want the skin. Yeah, I don't feel for skin tonight. Alright, so we'll peel off the skin. We'll peel out the mashed potato and put it in our bowl. Right? See me I get to work. Yeah, you see it. Clean out the potato now. Alright. Yeah. Left a little space in it. You don't want to dig down too far because you don't want to have hole. I put it in a plate. So the lobster, where you see me that cook before, I add it to the potato now. Right? We still are going to use the pot, because we need the pot to make the sauce. So you don't want to throw a pot. So this one I mash in some the potato and the lobster. And put little cheddar cheese in it, Give it little flavor. Right? So this one I mash. Yeah, as myself, I give the camera work because you don't know. I want to do it. So we're stuffing the mashed potato and the lobster now. Right? Boom. Fully stuffed. Yeah. You don't know. We have to make it look official for the few subscribers we may have. And don't feel free for watch the channel because trust me, you'll have a whole heap more crazy dish coming up. Plus me have one spinach rice what we need to make a full video for that so you can see and get the recipe. So me add some Parmesan cheese right there so. Boom now. The pot where we do the lobsters and I add a little more garlic to it. Right? Saute the garlic a little bit. And then me gonna add my little heavy cream now. Boom. Get all that nice and flavor and juice from the pot. And I add in some of my season to the bone seasoning. As I said, the link will be down below the video. And Parmesan cheese. That for kind of make the sauce look creamy. And yeah, add in the rest of the heavy cream inside of it. So you saute that a little and reduce it. So see finishing touch there. Plate it up with my lobster. 2 seasonings I use. And that are the sauce where you see me that make it reduce now. And we just pour it over the mashed potato with the lobster inside it. And get some parsley dazzling up, Yeah. I reckon Me I plan to put some Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese and parsley. And look at that, guys. Trust me. As me say, a lot more videos is coming here. Subscribe.